My name is Callum, and I'm going to talk through the updates to the Favorite Tools and Keywords feature in Oasys 20. In version 19 of Oasys Primer, we introduced a new Favorite Tools and Keywords feature, allowing you to populate your Favorites menu with the tools and features that you use regularly for ease of access. We have continued to enhance this feature with the latest version of Oasys Primer. We have expanded options supported by Favorite Tools to include Primer's mesh tools. We have also expanded the options supported by Favorite Keywords to include all sub-keywords. It is now possible to define alternative display names for our standard tools and keywords buttons for your favorites. Using Primer's JavaScript API, for a long time it has been possible for users to create their own custom tools to automate repetitive processes and quickly access complex functionality. Such tools can now be added to your favorite tools to be accessed with just one click. Your favorite tools can be further customized with the addition of pop-up buttons, which allow you to group together related features. The left and right arrow buttons allow you to move tools in and out of pop-ups to control the hierarchy. To support these additional features, favorite settings are now saved to a separate configuration file instead of your preferences, though these settings will still be read from your OA pref file if there is no configuration file present. Additionally, system administrators can use the configuration file to specify tools for all users to access from their favorites. This is ideal to make your specialist JavaScript tools easily available to all users within an organization. More information on the configuration file can be found in our Primer manual. Thank you for watching.